Very tasty, healthy, and easy to prepare Palak Puri. I often struggle to feed my kids spinach, and this is one dish which they absolutely love it. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we are preparing Palak Puri, and for this recipe is for around 12 to 15 puris. So here I got around 100 grams of baby spinach leaves, and we are going to cook this spinach leaves with half a cup of water for around 4 to 5 minutes. And once it's reduced its size, then we are going to allow it to cool down and make a puree out of it. And now we are going to prepare our dough. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour. Into goes half a cup of all-purpose flour, which is completely optional. You can prepare this puri with only wheat flour, and you can use for this recipe around 1 to 2 cup of wheat flour. And into goes salt according to taste, around 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of carom seed, which I prefer to rub it with my hand so that flavors are nicely enhanced, and quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, and around 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to mix everything nicely, all the dry ingredients and oil, so that everything is nicely mixed. And now we are going to prepare our dough with the help of spinach puree. So slowly you will start adding spinach puree and start mixing with the flour and make a nice and stiff dough. And with 100 gram of spinach puree, you can use up to 2 cup of wheat flour. If you ever feel that you have added too much of a spinach puree, then you can add some dry flour and make it nice and stiff. Once our dough is ready, just cover it and keep it for 10 minutes. And then we are going to roll our puris. For puris, we are going to make small balls, and we are going to grease our surface as well as rolling pins so that while we are rolling our puris, it won't stick. And now we just need to roll our puris nice and thin. So just keep turning around and keep rolling. And please make sure that you rolled all the puris before you start frying, because it doesn't take long to fry. And for frying, we need a good amount of oil. And to check the temperature, you can just add a little bit of dough. And if the dough doesn't stick in the bottom, then your temperature is right. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the puri very carefully, as you don't want to splash the hot oil out. And with the help of a spatula, very gently you press the puri on the top, and the puri will be nice and puffed. And then cook it from both sides, and here your puri is ready to enjoy.